Yes, we did, what's up my uniform?
Runner 1 Mike uniform, you still have 5 minutes to run before the earliest airborne time of your slot, so you can take line up via November 2 or November 1, your choice.
November 1, I'll do it on there, what's up my uniform?
Runner 1 Mike uniform, taxi November 1, line up runway 28 right.
November 1, line up with right, what's up my uniform?
Yes.
November 5, correction 27 Tango. 5 knots, 4 miles, contact tower, 1 minute, 6, number 2 now, bye-bye.
165 shots, goes up that way, 118, decimal, bye-bye, Ryanair,
Number 1, thank you, Ryanair, down beautiful. Radar, good afternoon, runner 9, Whiskey Alpha, both departure, 27 for 90. Runner 9, Whiskey Alpha, today, continue both departure. Continue, runner 9, Whiskey Alpha. 0 1 off.
Continue, approach number 2, Ryanair,
Pulling in on the uniform, but they continue as cleared, expect an island, for from into it left, expected turn by signal. Jet 47 turn left to left mode, establish local as runway 2 at left. Left left mode, clear to establish 2 at left in Air Force 7. Jet 47, send altitude 5,000 feet. 5,000 in Air Force 7. Okay, sorry, just made a step ready again, Jet 47. Send altitude 5,000 feet, QNH 1015. 5,000 feet, 1015 in ahead, 47. Approach Canada 8142, fully established, runway 2 left. Canada 8142, speed 160 knots, clear down as for runway 2 left. Speed 160, clear down at 2 left, 8142. 40 mile arrival, very good. Kilo contact, local 135, that's 1655, 5655, and 10 kilo, boy. Hi, Robert, Sherman 585 with you. 162 for 130. We're on the Bullet 40 man. Sherman 585, continue Bullet 40 man arrival, descent, flight level 100. On the 40.